especially in sub-zero temperatures. Take out the insoles from your winter shoes and trace them on thin cardboard. Then, cut them out. Take aluminum foil. Wrap the cardboard insole with it. It's important for the shiny side to be facing up. Insert the prepared insole into the shoe, under the standard insole. Cardboard insulates from the cold. The foil reflects the heat from the foot and helps maintain a higher temperature in the shoe. This simple trick prevents feet from freezing even in sub-zero temperatures. It works especially well for shoes with thin soles. In winter, I always carry it in the pocket of my coat. A simple ball made of aluminum foil solves a very annoying problem. Every woman should know this trick. It comes in handy when the temperature outside drops. Tear off a piece of regular aluminum foil and crumple it into a ball. Don't squeeze it too tightly so that it has a rough surface. Put it in the pocket of your jacket or coat. When the temperature drops, most people put on more layers of clothes and hats. They are often the cause of the annoying problem. Women with long hair will confirm that their hair gets terribly staticky. It's hard to take care of their appearance during the day. After taking off a hat, the hair becomes electrified and sticks out in all directions. A regular comb won't handle them, as well as a simple ball of aluminum foil. Just take it out of your pocket and comb your hair with it. It has an anti-static effect. Thanks to this, you can easily control your hair. They will be instantly smoothed. That's why it's worth carrying such a ball in your pocket in winter. You never know when you'll need to tame electrified hair. Did you know about this trick? Aluminum foil will also be useful in another part of your wardrobe. Anyone who wears glasses is familiar with this issue. In winter, when you move from cold outdoor air into a warm room, your lenses immediately fog up, making it difficult to see anything. This can also be dangerous in many situations. Cold glasses exposed to warm, humid air cause water vapor to condense on their surface, a problem triggered by sudden temperature changes. There are many anti-fog products available on the market, but they're often quite expensive. Moreover, we don't always have them on hand when we need them the most. Here's a simple and inexpensive solution to prevent your glasses from fogging up, using items you already have at home. Apply 1 drop of glycerin to each lens, both on the inside and outside. Then polish the lenses with a clean cloth. If you don't have glycerin at home, shaving foam will work as well. Apply it directly to your glasses and thoroughly rub the product into the lenses. Shaving foam reduces surface tension, effectively preventing water vapor from condensing on your glasses. This simple trick will keep your glasses fog-free, no matter how large the temperature difference is. Is cold air coming through your windows? Switch to winter mode, and your home will feel warmer while saving on bills. A hidden screw in the window frame allows you to change the setting from summer to winter mode. Not many people know that this should be done twice a year, once in summer and once in winter. Grab a pair of pliers or a special window key. The screw responsible for this change moves when you press the window handle. It controls how tightly the window sash presses against the frame. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice that one side of the screw is longer than the other, marked with a large dot. You can adjust it with pliers or a special key. The screws may vary in shape depending on the window manufacturer and are hidden not just on one side, but also on the top and bottom frames. How do you change your window from summer to winter mode? Grab the screw with pliers and turn the largest dot toward the window frame. This increases the seal's pressure, stopping airflow. Cold drafts will no longer sneak into your home through gaps. While it's a small detail, over the course of the heating season, you'll notice a big difference. Did you know windows have different modes? Have you already switched yours to winter mode? I always take such a bag to the car in the morning. I can't live without it in winter. Its application is brilliant. Prepare a drawstring bag, fill it with very warm water, close it, and take it with you. In winter, many people waste time scraping windows. It turns out that a simple bag solves this problem in 15 seconds. Just run it over the frozen windshield. The warm water instantly melts the ice. No scraping or using de-icers. You can see the ice disappearing right after the bag touches the window. Move it from top to bottom across the window. In just a few minutes, the car will be ready to drive. what are your ways to quickly defrost your car?
During winter, I always have a newspaper in my car. Might sound strange, but once you understand why, you might adopt the habit too. Old newspapers, it turns out, possess some remarkable qualities many people are unaware of. In the winter, our cars often accumulate moisture, especially from the melting snow on our shoes. If you don't want to invest in rubber mats, a simple folded newspaper under the floor mat works wonders. It absorbs the moisture effectively, and you can easily swap it out every few days. Not only does it address the moisture issue, but it also prevents the floor mat from slipping during drives. Simply place it under the car seat or above the trunk. Your windows won't fog up, even in winter. Foggy windows can be a nuisance. If your car has too much moisture, this trick will come in handy. Put it in a carafe or jar and stretch it over the opening. Prepare some dry, white rice. Pour it into the inside of a sock. Rice has brilliant properties as a natural water absorber. Additionally, it eliminates unpleasant odors. Tie the end of the sock with an elastic band. Place the prepared sock in the car. You can tuck it under the seats. If you're dealing with a foggy rear window, place it on the parcel shelf above the trunk. There's no airflow in that area, so the rice will effectively handle the condensation. Although this trick may seem simple, it really works. Replace the rice in the sock once a month. Are you having trouble with your car doors freezing? This trick will solve it in seconds. During winter, door seals can stiffen, stick, or even crack. The plastic parts can be damaged in sub-zero temperatures. That's why, in the early days of winter, it's essential to lubricate them. You can use regular cosmetic Vaseline for this task. Apply the product to your finger and lubricate the seals with it. This will make them firm and resistant to frost. Make sure to thoroughly apply the Vaseline to the seals on the doors as well. Do you have Vaseline at home? Did you know you can use it for car care? A simple potato can work wonders, especially in winter. Take a potato half and rub it on your car windows. The starch it leaves behind prevents water and snow from sticking, proving invaluable during intense precipitation. This trick ensures a clear view without streaks from rain, enhancing overall road safety. Take WD-40 and spray it on that car part, ideally before the coldest weather hits. This simple step can save you a lot of hassle. WD-40, with its multiple uses, proves valuable to keep in your car during winter. If you've dealt with frozen locks and freezing temperatures, you know regular de-icers don't always cut it. That's why a preemptive spray of WD-40 on the lock can work wonders. It quickly fills the lock's internal components, safeguarding it from water and freezing. Taking just a few seconds, this task can spare you plenty of frustration on frosty winter mornings.